everyone and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have a B&M haul. We got some stuff. I picked up some essentials and some bits and bobs, and I do love B&M haul, so if you'd like to see what I got then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world. If you are coming back to my channel, what do you think of the leaves? Put some leaves on my wall. I think I'm gonna start switching up my kind of lifestyle haul video setups because it's just bothering me how you can see like the end of like my backdrop and stuff. So we're working on it, we're getting there. So far we've got some leaves. Looks a little bit less plain that side now. What do we think? We're getting there. Anyway, let's just jump straight into the haul. So I do just want to mention, just because obviously it is a plastic bag, this is actually my B&M bag from my last haul. I reused it because I wanted the thumbnail and I was like, I'm gonna be a good environmental person and reuse the bag. So let's just dive in, shall we? To start off with, just to bear that in mind, I need to get some essentials. So I picked up the Dettol surface cleaner and I've got my receipt right here. I can tell you how much it was. My whole haul was £20, which is amazing. This was £1.49. Yeah, I can't really talk too much about this. I just wanted some surface cleaner for like my bathroom, which I share with my brother, so it gets dirty. Just like surfaces and everything like that, especially with all the germs and stuff going around for the past however long. So yeah, I figured I would pick up some cleaner. You know, you can never be too clean. Well, you can apparently, but maybe not this year. Okay, and then I picked up a bathroom air freshener. I've wanted to get one of these for a while. This is from Febreze. Actually, now I'm thinking about this, I'm like, this is probably isn't very environmentally friendly, is it? Maybe you can get refills. I don't know. I will look into that. I did not think about that. This was £1.99. They had like a 2-pack as well, but I didn't know how much I would like it, how long it would last, that kind of thing. And to use it, you activate it firmly, press the light blue button right here with 2 thumbs. I love how it's specifically 2 thumbs and you can't just like pop it with 1 finger or like do 2 pinky fingers. It has to be 2 thumbs. And then you wait a minute and the scent is released. So yeah, I just figured I'd pop that in our downstairs loo just so it smells nice and lovely and fresh. And I feel like lavender's a nice like welcoming, calm smell. Oh, it just noticed it's got a little test thing here. Obviously when I was shopping I had my mask on, so I didn't really smell a lot of the stuff. Smells nice and clean. Then I picked up some bleach from Duck. This is the Fruitopia one, £1. Again, just for downstairs loo. I saw Fruitopia and I was like, oh, that's bound to smell nice. So yeah, that's going in our toilet. When I first started YouTube, I never thought to this day that I would be making videos about bleach and like cleaning products, but here we are. Next up, actually not on a cleaning product kind of vibe, I picked up some dry shampoo. This is the Batiste Tropical Dry Shampoo, 200 millilitres. This was £1.99. I actually remembered that I needed some of this before heading into B&M. My hair just gets so oily so quickly. I don't know if it's because it's just like ridiculously long at the moment. I've got a haircut in 2 weeks. So excited. It's probably not going to be like that dramatically shorter. It's just going to be like, you know, like the snaggly bits as I like to call them. So maybe about an inch off the ends just to like really like tidy it up, make the ends look thicker. I'm also having some more blonde put through. But anyway, nowadays I find that the day after I wash my hair it's like already greasy. Like I have to pretty much wash my hair every day and I don't know how that's happened. Like if it's a shampoo I'm using, I'm actually buying a Posh shampoo, Olaplex it's called, from my hairdresser when I go get my hair done, so I can like try and keep it in a nice standard. And I feel like the oily scalp is like the main issue, so I'm starting off with the shampoo before I kind of like invest in the whole range. But I picked up some dry shampoo, just hit myself on the eye, just because I thought this will do for now, just because I can't be bothered to wash my hair every single day. Like literally like the length of my hair and like how much of it I have, like it's fine, but I have a lot of it, as hairdressers like to say. It's just a pain to like wash and dry every day, so I just wanted to get some dry shampoo for my lazy days. And also if I curl my hair, like I want it to last a few days. I don't want to wash up the curls when you spend that long curling it. So yeah, anyway, that's enough about dry shampoo. Next up on the cleaning hype, I saw this and got very excited. They had the like Christmas scents in, which to be completely honest, I'm not feeling that Christmassy this year. This year's been really tough, and I know I'm not the only one. This year has been tough for everyone in so many different ways. And we all just need to look out for each other and be kind to each other and everything like that. But I just don't feel Christmassy at all. Like, I can't remember if I did this time last year. think I was looking forward to Christmas, but like honestly, like this time I don't know, it just feels really like un-Christmassy. I think it's just because this whole year's basically been inside. Like I wasn't like working, obviously YouTube, but I wasn't working for like 4 months. I can't believe that. Like if you told me a few years ago, oh yeah, you'll be off work for 4 months, I'd be like, yeah, but obviously like the realities of it is very different. I don't know, it just doesn't feel very Christmassy. So I wasn't very like, I need to get the cinnamon scents because I'm not feeling Christmassy. Feeling a bit like a Grinch at the moment, really, you know. Anyway, but I did invest in a Sephora winter scent. That's what that ramble was leading to. This is the Rose Noir scent. Apparently makes 20 litres of Sephora. So yeah, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a smell. I did smell this in the shop. Oh my god, this bottle is huge. I am actually quite stocked up on Sephora, but like, I mean, I don't think it expires. It's just chemicals, isn't it? And I just like to switch up the scents every now and then. I always put it in like a spray bottle like this. I think I got this from B&M like maybe 3 B&M hauls ago, 3 or 4. And I always like just put it in here and dilute it with water to use it to like spray on stuff. So I don't like get through it that quickly. But this smells like, obviously I don't want to stick my nose in it because it is disinfectant, but it does smell like really good. It's like autumn, dare I say Christmassy, but not like too in your face Christmassy, do you know what I mean? I don't know, I just think it's really nice. It's quite a sexy smell as far as disinfectants go, so yeah, I picked up a Rose Noir. Next up I got some hand wash. So exciting. I care about the environment and I'm just struggling to use the like bar soaps at the moment. If anyone knows of good bar soaps that don't dry out your hands every time you wash them, please let me know because it just drives me insane. I hate that feeling. I much prefer using a hand wash. And obviously you can recycle this, but I'd love to make it more sustainable, so let me know if you have any ideas. I just can't stand the dry feeling that bar soap does to your hands. So this is the Radox Care Liquid Hand Wash Antibacterial. So that's just going to go in my downstairs bathroom. And I forgot to say the prices. The Zoflora was £3.99 and the hand soap was £1. Next up I got some batteries. These were £1. I just got a 8-pack of AA batteries. I've already opened them because I got a star projector light. Did I? Yeah, and they're in the remote, which I will show you in an upcoming Amazon haul. I'm so excited. I tried it out a little bit today, but it was daylight, so you couldn't see it, but now it's dark. I'm so excited to go to bed tonight and have like stars all across my room. So I will show you that in an upcoming Amazon haul, so look out for that. But yeah, anyway, I got some batteries. They are essential. Then I picked up some shower gel. This is the Right Guard Magic Oil Women Pink Jasmine scent. I'm just quite fussy with shower gel, and like I could just use the one that we have upstairs in our family bathroom, but I just don't like the smell. Don't like the soapy smell. I don't like a mint smell. I like to just smell like, I don't know, feminine, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, just flowery or fruity kind of smells. If I can open this up. Yep, smells lovely and like jasmine-y. Very nice. And with the oil, I'm guessing it'll make your skin very soft. And that I believe was also £1. Oh, it was 89p. There you go, save yourself 11p. Next up I picked up 2 candles. The first one I got was £2, just because it's right there. This is the Sweet Almond and Macaroon Candle Luxury Fragrance, number 12. I think it's supposed to kind of copy the White Company kind of vibe. It smells like a cake. I love it. Love it. I love anything that smells like that gourmand, sweet, edible kind of smell. Yeah, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to light that. And I'm actually kind of running low on candles now. I still have a candle from Christmas last year, would you believe? Then I picked up the Mango and Pineapple scented candle, £2.50. This one isn't as strong as the other. But I think this is quite fruity. This would be nice to light in the daytime when I'm like doing editing and things like that. So I picked that up. And also this jar is quite pretty. I feel like once I've kind of burnt the candle out, I can use it to like store like stuff, you know. I also picked up some cotton buds. These are the environmentally friendly paper stems. I always buy paper stem cotton buds. I kind of mention it in most of my videos now, but I just want to encourage people to kind of just make tiny little observations. So I was mentioning about my hand soap, it's just like tiny little things that you can think about and start incorporating in just your daily life that make a difference. So yeah, I always buy paper ones now, and they were 59p for a pack of 200. If you're looking for paper cotton buds, I don't get the plastic ones, people, but they are in the baby section in B&M, so obviously they're super soft. But to be honest, the only thing I use these for is when I cut the crease. I use it with micellar water in my crease. Don't really stick them in my ears because it's bad for your ears. They're just always essential to have, so I stocked up on those. And then the last thing I got is probably the most exciting, actually. Yeah, so this is a sheet mask. I figured, I was like, look, I've got my essentials, let's just get one nice thing while we're here. So I picked up the Garnier tissue mask, which was £1.99. I haven't seen this one before. Secura, so like flowers and stuff, super hydrating and glow reviving for dull skin. I wouldn't say my skin's like particularly dull, but just nowadays I tend to look for things like treatment wise that add loads of hydration. Now my skin's calmed down a lot, like I don't know if you can really tell, I have no idea, but I feel like because my skin has calmed down a lot, I tend to look for things that really like hydrate the skin rather than like sucking up all the oil. So yeah, I just got that. I probably might even do that tonight, you know. I think that's just so nice. I do love a sheet mask. I love like lying in bed, listening to soothing spa music, reading a book, stop reading the book and then you put on Riverdale. Yes, that's my new obsession. And then you put a sheet mask on and you get like a rose quartz roller or jade roller or whatever kind of facial roller, and you just sit there with your roller and like contour your cheekbones with your sheet mask on. I love doing that. So yeah, I got this. I'm super excited to use it. But that is everything that I got from my B&M haul. I'm sorry that I keep playing with my hair, it's just driving me insane at the moment. I cannot wait to get it like cut and shaped. I really hope you enjoyed watching this B&M haul. I love doing hauls like these. I feel like it's like, look, it's a win-win-win-win situation. Like I need to pick up stuff, I like uploading videos, I like watching B&M hauls. You know, I'm not spending a crazy amount of money and I need all these things to keep me going through life. So yeah, I have had a long day, do you know what I mean? So I'm sorry about my weird energy that's happening right now, but I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did make it this far, then well done. I don't know how long this video is going to be. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world. Follow me on my social medias, which are shivonmakeupbiz, the same as my YouTube channel on everything, so Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. So go check that out if you feel the need. And thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.